Welcome to 649 Atherton in beautiful San Elijo Hills. I can't wait to show you inside. Come on in. Game night here. Cooking here. Binge watch Netflix right here. Play golf in your own backyard. Toast to your new home here. Oh yeah, and did I mention ocean views? San Elijo is home to 18 miles of hiking and biking trails with stunning panoramic viewpoints of the California coastline. Located only 10 miles from our finest beaches. And shop local. Enjoy the new vibrant town center featuring restaurants such as Tapa Tapa, Shane's, and Vine and Tap. And come get your workout on at Cycle Bar. 649 Atherton is simply immaculate and now on the market. Call for a private showing.